Hello everyone! Welcome for today's reading tutorial for beginning readers. Today we are going to learn new sounds. Are you ready to learn? That's great! But before that, let's have first a review. Let us say the sound of the following letters presented. Are you ready? That's right! This sound is A. Once again, say it with me. A. Once again, Very good. This is S. Once again, say it with me. S. Very good. This is E. Once again, E. That's great. This sound is R. Once again, R. Very good. This is D. Once again, D. That's great. This sound is F. Once again, F. This sound is E. Once again, E. This is T. Once again, T. Very good. This sound is K. Once again, K. That's great. This sound is N. Once again, Very good. What did you see on the video? Yes, you are great. It's an octopus. The word octopus starts with the sound O. Once again, say it with me. O. Very good. This sound is O. Once again, O. That's great. Our new sound for today is the sound O. This is O. Once again, say it with me. O. Now your turn. That's great. Say it with me. O. Once again. O. Very good. Now let us read the words that begins with the sound O. These words are ox. Once again, ox. This is the ox. The word ox starts with the sound O. This is O. Once again, O. That's great. Next word is old. This is O. The word old starts with the sound O. This is old. Very good. Next word is onion. You are great. It's an onion. The word onion starts with the sound O. This is O. Very good. Next, what is in the picture? Yes, you are great. It's an orange. The word orange starts with the sound O. Once again, O. Very good. This is O. That's great. Next, what is in the video? Yes, you are great. It's an ostrich. The word ostrich starts with the sound O. This is O. Come on, say it with me. O. Very good. And now let's try. Is this O? Yes, you are correct. Is this O? Yay, you are great! Is this O? No. Is this O? Yes, you are correct. Is this O? Yay, you're great! Very good. And now once again, say it with me. This sound is O. Once again, O. Very good. Your turn. That's right. Let's say it together. O. Once again. O. Very good. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned a lot today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.